I'm going to show you how to roast a tender, juicy roast chicken in half the time and create 3 delicious, healthy meals. So what I'm going to do is you get your whole chicken and just by cutting down the end of the backbone, you split your chicken in half. This is going to take around 45 minutes to cook. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in here as well and some sea salt. I'm just going to put in a few cloves of garlic. And so now I'm going to pour in a half a cup of water. By doing this, you're going to help keep your chicken tender, juicy and moist. So it steams underneath, but roasts lovely on top. So this is going to go into a really hot oven, 220 degrees centigrade, for around about 45 to 50 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken. Okay, so look at this tender, juicy, beautiful roast chicken. From this, I'm going to show you how to make my favourite famous Caesar salad of all time that's healthy and delicious and will feed a family of 4. So we're going to get our roast chicken and I'm going to put the whole roast chicken just on a serving plate. Whatever bread you have lying around in the cupboard, we're going to cut that into a couple of nice big chunks, and then we're going to cut those big chunks into some nice cubes. All this goes into the pan and onto a tray. And then we're going to put that into the oven for around about 10 minutes. I've got some gorgeous cos lettuce here, so we're going to use that as the lovely base for my Caesar salad. But just before that, I'm going to blanch some asparagus and some peas. So cutting the asparagus into some nice chunks. And we're going to throw all of that into a pot of hot boiling water. Now look at this. I've just pulled the croutons out of the oven. Beautiful, golden, delicious. So now I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, beautiful dressing that's super light and delicious for the Caesar salad. I'm starting off by using a spoonful of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of around half a lemon. So that's all beautiful and emulsified, lovely. Now I'm going to add around about half a cup of beautiful, lovely natural yogurt. Okay, so that's ready. So I've got my beautiful cos lettuce leaves. Now for the chicken. I'm going to use about half of this chicken. Be generous with your vegetables. Look at this beautiful roasted garlic. Now, the great part about this is it's fantastic for your Caesar salad and any dressings. Give it a good squeeze. A nice, generous sprinkle, grated Parmesan. And we've got the dressing, so be generous. And then finally, my lovely, beautiful croutons. All you need to do now is just gently toss. Another flourish of Parmesan on the top, and there you go. A beautiful, lovely, delicious chicken Caesar salad with asparagus and peas. Enjoy, guys.